Rock the Red and Fireside Friday here at the College Center.
I can't wait. I'm going to go upstairs in the Flint Common and have me a cup or two. Always great coffee up there, and I always get to communicate with different students.
That's awesome. That's awesome. Oh, hey, everybody. Welcome. I'm Steve Matthews. I'm the Dean of Students here at SUNY Plattsburgh, also an alum of the college. And I'm just hanging out with Bergie, our mascot. I think everybody knows Bergie. And my good buddy, Travis.
How you doing, everybody? I'm Travis Long. I'm also an alum of SUNY Plattsburgh, and I'm also the multicultural student success coach. And I used to play a little bit of basketball here in my time, and I actually made it into the Athletic Hall of Fame.
Nice. Congratulations on your acceptance to SUNY Plattsburgh. Remember the days when we were accepted. What a proud day for us. I hope you're very proud. You should be very excited. I look forward to meeting a lot of you folks when I travel with some colleagues here on the campus to our accepted students receptions around the state of New York. That's happening next week. And I look forward to meeting a lot of you folks at those receptions. Oh, what's up, Bergie? Awesome. Bergie, I appreciate you keeping me on track. We have a contest going. For those students that haven't paid their admissions deposit, to pay that admissions deposit between now and March 19th at midnight, we're going to enter you into a drawing for $100 in Cardinal Cash.
Cardinal Cash, if you don't know, that's our school-wide credit card, debit card system, where you can use on campus and off campus at a number of different establishments who have partnered with us to allow students to be able to purchase things with their student IDs.
Yeah. And if you are still making a decision about whether you should attend SUNY Plattsburgh, we still have 2 opportunities for you to come up here and visit with us. Our spring open houses, March 25th and April 8th. You can just click on the registration link right below us in this video. And we look forward to seeing you when you get here on campus. Congratulations again.